Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change region in Microsoft Edge. The first thing you do is launch your Microsoft Edge browser, then click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then from this drop down menu you click on settings. And then from this part here you click on start home and new tab page, and then over here you can see customize new tab page layout and control. Over here this other new tab page, click on customize, and this from here we're going to get a drop down menu, and the first thing we'll have is the region. Let me reload the page. So let's do that again so we can see the drop down menu. So I said tap on start home and new tab page, then customize. Now this is the drop down menu. This is it here. So the next thing you're gonna do is see regional languages. So this is where you can change your region. So you can change it. These are the options. These are the options. So choose the one you prefer. And that's it. That is how to change region in Microsoft Edge. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, which we put up every day. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.